Okay, I'm in the street with my karma drone. So if you can see, camera not found because even if the drone is on with the lights on, so the camera is hanging. So I'm going to reset it. Well, actually I will it's off, release the battery, then comes on, the lights comes on, the camera is straight. Let's see, let me wait for the okay, is drone everything up to date. So see,
ready to start.
ready
Press
to
and
start,
hold the start-stop button.
ready to fly. So I got the camera, can move up and down. Okay, ready to fly.
3, 2, 1.
Unable to take off. That's all is happening. Look.
3, 2,
So listen, the
1.
camera. You hear the noise of the camera, trick, tick, 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 and it goes off. Just the camera goes off for nothing. There is no reason. I haven't turned it on or turned it off, anything. So let's see. It will be comes up in a few seconds. I don't know why. Sometimes it does. The camera comes on after a few seconds and then off and then on. Looks like something is crazy. If you see the lights is on, camera not found. Let me see. Camera not found. See, click on. Well, still the camera is doing nothing. Temperature is good. Temperature drum is good. So the camera stays off for no reason. Let's see. Well, it's almost more than a minute, more than 2 minutes, and the camera is still off. No, still off.